Hi everyone, I am Nishchita, pursuing MCA at Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. I am going to give the presentation on JBL by Arman. These are the contents which we are going to discuss in the upcoming slides. Those are Arman and JBL introduction, about the founder, history, product line examples, SWOT analysis, timeline, products of JBL, artificial intelligence in JBL, and conclusion. This is the logo of Arman International Industry. Introduction of Arman. Actually, JBL is owned by Arman International Industries, a subsidiary of Samsung Electronics. So, I just giving small introduction on Arman. Arman International Industries Incorporated, commonly known as Arman, is an American audio electronics company. Since 2017, the company has been an independent subsidiary of Samsung Electronics. Headquartered in Stamford, Connecticut, Arman maintains major operations in the Americas, Europe, and Asia. Arman markets its products under various brands including AKG, AMX, Arcam, Bang, and Alufsen Automotive, Baker, BSS Audio, Crown, DBX, Digitech, Arman Kardon, Infinity, JBL, Lexicon, Mark Levinson, Martin, Revell, Soundcraft, and Studer. On November 14, 2016, Arman entered into an agreement to be acquired by Samsung. The sale was completed on March 10, 2017. Arman now functions as an independent subsidiary. Now let's see about JBL. Introduction of JBL. JBL is an American company that manufactures audio equipment including loudspeakers and headphones. The firm contains two independent divisions. Those are JBL Consumer serves the consumer home market and JBL Professional serves the studio, install sound, tour sound, portable sound, production and disc jockey, that is DJ, and cinema markets. About the founder of JBL, James Bullough Lansing, his period was from January 2, 1902 to September 29, 1949. He was a pioneering American audio engineer and loudspeaker designer who was most notable for establishing two audio companies that bear his name. Those are Altec Lansing and JBL. First one is the logo of JBL, second one is the logo of Altec Lansing. History of JBL. Lansing and his business partner Ken Decker started a company in 1927 in Los Angeles manufacturing 6 and 8-inch speaker drivers for radio consoles and radio sets. The firm was named Lansing Manufacturing Company from March 1, 1927. In 1933, head of the Metro Goldwyn Mayer Sound Department, Douglas Scherer, dissatisfied with the loudspeakers of Western Electric and RCA and decided to develop his own. In 1936, the Scherer Or received the Academy Scientific and Technical Award from the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences. In 1939, Decker was killed in an aeroplane crash. The company soon began having financial troubles, and in 1941, Lansing Manufacturing Company was bought by Altec Service Corporation, after which the name changed to Altec Lansing. After Lansing's contract expired in 1946, he left Altec Lansing and founded Lansing Sound, in which later the name changed to James B. Lansing Sound and was further shortened to JBL Sound. In 1946, JBL produced their first products. In 1955, the brand name JBL was introduced to resolve ongoing disputes with Altec Lansing Corporation. The company name James B. Lansing Sound Incorporated was retained, but the logo name was changed to JBL with its distinctive exclamation point. In 1969, Thomas sold JBL to the Jervis Corporation, later renamed Arman International, headed by Sidney Arman. In 1970s, saw JBL become a household brand, starting with the famous L100, which was the best-selling loudspeaker model of any company to that time. In 1970s were also a time of major JBL expansion in the professional audio field from their studio monitors. By 1977, more recording studios were using JBL monitors than all other brands combined, according to a Billboard survey. The JBL L100 and 4310 control monitors were popular home speakers. Over the next 2 decades, JBL went more mass market with their consumer line of loudspeakers. At the same time, they made an entry into the high end market with their project speakers consisting of the Everest and K2 lines. JBL became a prominent supplier to the tour sound industry, their loudspeakers being employed by touring rock acts and music festivals. JBL products were the basis for the development of THX loudspeaker standard, which resulted in JBL becoming a popular cinema loudspeaker manufacturer. These are the product line examples of JBL: Bluetooth headphones, car subwoofer, three-way loudspeaker system, Flip 3 Bluetooth speaker, Flip 4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Coming to SWOT analysis of JBL, strengths are great penetration into high-end mid-segment, long-term sustainability, strong foothold in speaker segment, technology dominance, and value for money. Weaknesses are high price, slow rate of innovation, slow penetration into emerging cities, and poor branding. Coming to opportunities, penetration into wider segments, bundled offering, launching cheaper product lines, and the threats are high substitute goods and weak market goods. Timeline of JBL: in 1902, birth of James B. Lansing in Illinois, US. In 1927, founding of Lansing Manufacturing Company in Los Angeles. In 1934, Douglas Scherer from MGM designs the first speaker for the cinema. Lansing builds system components. In 1941, Altec Service Company acquires Lansing Manufacturing Company. In 1944, Lansing and Iliad redefined the reference theatre speaker with Model A4 renamed Voice of the Theatre. In 1946, Lansing leaves Altec and founds a new company, that is James B. Lansing Sound Incorporation. In 1947, JBL has a 15-second speaker, that is 38 cm, model D130, using for the first time a 4-second, that is 100 voice coil in a speaker cone. In 1949, William Thomas became president of the company. In 1954, presentation of acoustic lenses developed by Bart and Locanti. In 1955, Leo Fender integrates the D130 model in their amplifiers, thus starting the entry of JBL into professional music. In 1969, Sidney Harman acquires JBL. In 1973, 4300 series launched, including the first four-way speaker. In 1975, 4682 model line array strongbox. In 1979, Technology Diamond Surround for control of high frequency resonances in development of symmetrical field geometry. In 1980, Pavilion Biradial Constant Dispersion Technology. In 1981, the first biradial monitor 4400 for the recording studio. In 1984, JBL acquires UREI. In 1986, the first models of control series introduced. In 1982, titanium is used as a material for compression engines. In 1990, vented gap cooling technology. Those are reduces low frequencies. In 1991, the first pro audio speaker based on neodymium with array series. In 1995, birth of EVON system and first neodymium differential drive speaker. In 1996, creation of the HLA standard with line array space frame design. In 1999, JBL used at Woodstock 1999. In 2000, creation of Vertec line array system and birth of EVO, the intelligent loudspeaker controlled by DSP. In 2002, Vertec is used for the Super Bowl, the Grammy Awards, and the ceremony of 2002 FIFA World Cup. These are the products of JBL: amplifiers, loudspeakers, and headphones. Coming to amplifiers of JBL, an amplifier, electronic amplifier or amp, is an electronic device that can increase the power of a signal. It is a two-port electronic circuit that uses electric power from a power supply to increase the amplitude of a signal applied to its input terminals, producing a proportionally greater amplitude signal at its output. The amount of amplification provided by an amplifier is measured by its gain, the ratio of output voltage, current, or power to input. An amplifier is a circuit that has a power gain greater than 1. This is the picture of JBL amplifier. Coming to loudspeakers, a loudspeaker, a device that converts an electrical audio signal into a corresponding sound. A speaker system, also often simply referred to as a speaker or loudspeaker, comprises one or more such speaker drivers, an enclosure, and electrical connections, possibly including a crossover network. An audio signal, typically from a microphone, recording, or radio broadcast, is amplified electronically to a power level capable of driving that motor in order to reproduce the sound corresponding to the original unamplified electronic signal. This is the picture of loudspeaker. Coming to headphones, headphones are a pair of small loudspeaker drives or on or around the head over a user's ears. Headphones let a single user listen to an audio source privately, in contrast to a loudspeaker, which emits sound into the open air for anyone nearby to hear. Headphones are also known as ear speakers, earphones, or colloquially cans. The first headphones were developed in the late 19th century for use by telephone operators to keep their hands free. Initially, the audio quality was mediocre and a step forward for the invention of high fidelity headphones. This is a picture of JBL headphone. Coming to artificial intelligence in JBL. The leading innovator in voice enabled artificial intelligence and conversational intelligence technologies announced a partnership to power the voice interface for future JBL professional branded solutions for hospitality environments. Powered by SoundHound Incorporation's Soundify Voice artificial intelligence platform and featuring legendary JBL audio performance. The solutions will provide sophisticated voice-enabled smart room experience for hotel guests. Behind providing guests with the at-home comfort and convenience they are accustomed to through artificial intelligence assist technologies, the JBL solution will simultaneously improve the hotel's bottom line through increased on property dwell time and revenues, along with reduced customer service expense. Guests can also stream music for their choice through the JBL professional speaker via Bluetooth. By providing guests with immediate access to hotel information and services, along with the ability to automate common requests, the JBL solution will enable hotels to reduce their customer service load and times and improve customer satisfaction. In addition, customizable integration with Arman's Hospitality Cloud. Artificial intelligence allows the solution to be tailored to return on property or affiliated responses to queries such as restaurant, service, or entertainment recommendations, thereby increasing on property dwell times and revenue. Artificial intelligence platform with the JBL also developed the solutions dashboard for device commissioning and management. As voice enablement becomes ubiquitous with consumers with their home, having a seamless experience while traveling represents a huge opportunity for the hospitality industry, and we were proud that Arman, JBL and SoundHound Incorporations are coming together to deliver on that experience. SoundHound Incorporation Soundify voice and conversational artificial intelligence platform has distinctive advantages, including its proprietary speech to meaning and deep meaning understanding technologies, which deliver unprecedented speech, speed, accuracy, and intelligence in voice recognition and understanding. Coming to the conclusion, with JBL's reputation and success and with resolution strategy towards artificial intelligence growth and excellence, the future looks promising for JBL to close the gap between itself and competitors. Thank you.